Hello everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to post a blank comment on Instagram. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. To leave a blank comment on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, find the post where you want to leave your blank comment. By default, Instagram doesn't allow you to post an entirely blank comment. However, there's a simple trick to work around this using an invisible Unicode character. Here's what you need to do. Go to the description box of this video and copy the blank character I've provided. Once you have it copied, return to Instagram and paste the invisible character into the comment section of your chosen post. After pasting it, just hit the send button, and that's it. You've now posted a blank comment on Instagram. It will appear as empty space to both you and other users. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.